The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Once Eleanor Roosevelt said, "But what if our dreams were not just about technology, wealth, and power, but about a planet that thrives, a world that breathes, and a future where innovation and nature walk hand in hand?" Welcome to the era of Green Revolution, where sustainability meets bold ideas, groundbreaking technology, and the vision for a better tomorrow. Imagine a world where cars run without gasoline, buildings generate their own energy, and waste turns into wealth. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Green innovation is about more than reducing harm, it's about reinventing the way we live, work, and build without destroying the world we call home. Electric vehicles and renewable energy. The sun, the wind, and the waves are the fuels for the future. Imagine a world powered by endless green energy. The shift to solar, wind, electric vehicles is not sustainable, it's inevitable. Vertical farming and lab grown food. What if farms didn't need fields? Vertical farms use 95% less water, feeding millions without harming nature. Lab grown meat offers a future where food is created without cruelty, deforestation, or pollution. Biodegradable and smart material. A world without plastic waste. Scientists are designing materials that vanish like leaves in the wind, biodegradable, sustainable, and earth friendly. Fashion packaging and construction are being reimagined. Carbon capture and climate tech. What if we could turn pollution into progress? New technologies are pulling CO2 from the air, transforming it into fuel, bricks, even diamonds. The future isn't about stopping harm, it's about reversing it. We often ask, what will the future look like? But the real question is, what future will we create? Green business are thriving, investors are pouring trillions into clean technology, sustainable brands, and ethical industries. Every dollar spent on sustainability isn't a cost, it's an investment in resilience, growth, and the next big revolution. The greatest ideas of our time won't just be a speed, power, or convenience. They will be about healing, protecting, and regenerating. Whether you are a business leader, a creator, a student, or a dreamer, this moment needs you. Green innovation isn't a choice, it's a responsibility, a mission, a revolution. So let's ask ourselves, are we just bystanders in the history, or are we architects of greener future? The future is green, the future is now, and you are a part of it. Thank you for watching the video.